Hi Intermediates, welcome to Tuesday's workbook. Let's get started. Make sure you have a pencil in your hand, which I've been saying all the time, and you already know that you need a pencil. So we're going to start at the skyline, at least for my name, and for all of your first letters in your name, which are capital and uppercase. So we're going to start at the top and go down to the grass line and back up, and all of my letters in my name are under the plain line. Great job. So, the first page that we have here looks like a whole bunch of skateboards. And we talked about drawing a straight line. Well, here we have them. Perfect example. We have a dot to start with and a dot to finish. So, all we're going to do is start at the dot to start, draw a line and drag it across to the dot to finish. Start at the start dot, drag a line across, and stop at the other dot. Start at the start dot, drag on top of the dashes, and stop at the stop dot. That's when you know you have a line segment. Excellent job. That was really easy. The next page, we've got matching. Which objects are about the same size in real life? Well, you need to think about things if you've seen them in real life. If you haven't, that's okay. I can help explain. Now, some of you do eat apples. Some of you eat squash. Some of you have seen a horse, but maybe not a real one. Those are real live animals that are big, and a vegetable called lettuce. Now, over here, you have a pickle. You've had those. And a fruit. You've had those. Cauliflower, which is like white broccoli. And a big animal like a zebra that you would see in a zoo or probably only on TV. They don't live in North America. So let's take a look. Now, if I were to eat lettuce, I would say it's about the same size as cauliflower. It's round. They both are round and they both are bulky shape. So I would draw a line from this dot to this dot. Now I eat apples all the time, and apples are about the same size as a peach. Let's draw that. Now pickles are about the same size as a squash. Or actually, this is not a pickle. I think this is more of a cucumber. So cucumber that you have in salad is about the same size as an eggplant. We can draw those lines right there. And the true largest things right here are live animals. A horse is very big. And unless you've seen horses at a farm or ridden one, it's hard to know that they're really big, much bigger than a dog. So that's about the same size as a zebra. Great job. Now, the next page, we need to circle each rectangle shape. So let's take a look. You've got a flag. That's a rectangle shape. It has two long sides and two short sides. The kite is not a rectangle. It has four sides that are the same measurement. We won't circle that. An envelope. That's a rectangle. It has two long sides, 1, 2, and two short sides, 1, 2. Let's circle that. A ruler is a rectangle. It has two long sides, 1, 2, and two short sides, 1, 2. And this is a slice of watermelon, but it's shaped like a triangle. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, not a rectangle. Now let's look down here. We need to draw a square around each oval shape. So that's a little bit different. We normally draw a circle around things we're looking for, but the directions are draw a square. So let's look at the oval shapes. We definitely know an egg is an oval shape. So we draw a square. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4. A balloon is an oval. 1, 2, 3, 4. This clock is not an oval. It's already a square. This pillow is not an oval. but this platter is. It's a long circular shape. Now, this is going to be a little tricky to draw a square around this oval. So we need to really make it big so it'll fit. A four-sided shape is our square. Great work. Now the next page, we need to circle the animals that are in their homes. Well, let's take a look. Here's a fish tank. Where do fish belong? Inside the water. This fish is not. We will not circle him. He is not inside his home. He is out. This dog is inside the doghouse. This dog is out. We only circle the one in the home. This bird is on a branch. This bird is in a nest. This bird is on a branch. Only one bird is in the nest. There are 3 ants here. This ant is out on top. This ant and this ant are in underground. Those are the animals that are in their house. Excellent. This page needs to say, find and circle each item in the big picture. Well, we have a comb. Let's look for the comb around this picture. Where would we find a comb? Real tricky. It's right down here. It's hard to see on a black and white copy, but there's the comb. The next object is a bow, or maybe it's a butterfly. I think it's a butterfly. Let's look. I don't see it here, but I do see it up there in the curtain. This looks like a toothbrush. Where could we find a toothbrush? Oh, right here. You see? Very tricky. The fringe is dark, 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 and then it's not. It's hiding right here in the fringe of the rug. The next item to find is a spoon. I see it right here in the window. Cross it out. The next item is a hockey stick. I don't see any hiding in the rug or on the floor. Ooh, right here in the picture frame. The next item is a fish. Here it is in the curtain again. Then the next item looks like a knife. Right there in the bed. The bed rail is hiding the knife. And last is a sweetheart heart. Let's look. Not on the floor. Oh, there it is in the sneaker. Excellent job. You found all those things that were hiding. And now we have the page where we need to trace the number and match it up with the items that have that number. Well, let's take a look. This is a 1. This is a 2. This is a 3. This is a 4. This is a 5. Here is one shell. 1, 1. Let's count these objects. 1, 2. 1, 2. They go together. Let's count the bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already took care of one shell. Let's count the buckets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the pigeons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. Draw a line from the number 5 to the box with 5 pigeons. Great job! You did a good job. I'll see you tomorrow.